This is Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. Time for a poetry reading. I hope you can get into it, go with the flow, and relate to it. Thank you. Okay, I wrote a poem about how to listen to a poem. Poetry and science actually have a lot in common. Both help us to see the world in new ways. I've always encouraged my students to express themselves through writing, creativity, and especially through poetry. When you listen to a poem, you have lots of ways to listen. You can think about what the writer was feeling when it was written. You can ask yourself what the poem means to you. Maybe you can even relate to it, some in your own words. Does it make you feel something? Is it a story being told? Does it remind you of a good memory? Let the rhythm and sound carry you. Kind of like how a song pulls you in. Use your imagination. See the pictures that the words paint. And here's the secret. Listen more than one time. Every time you hear something new, pay attention to the poet's voice, the tone, the pace, the emotion. Follow the flow. Let the words move through you like water in a stream. Poetry just isn't hearing about the words. It's about feeling them and finding your own meaning inside the sound. I hope you enjoyed listening to this poem and that maybe, you never know, you might want to write some poetry about how you feel, how you see things, what's going on, and express yourself. This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens, Farmstead.